Hey everyone, today I am going to show you how to choose the right e-commerce platform, Prestashop, Squarespace, and Big Cartel. So, we are going to explore three popular e-commerce platforms. Whether you are a seasoned entrepreneur or just starting out, we have got options for you. Let's dive in. Let's kick things off with Prestashop. This platform is a superb option for entrepreneurs who possess a degree of coding proficiency. What is particularly advantageous about it? Well, it is entirely cost-free and open source. You can acquire and commence using it immediately, provided you have a good grasp of its intricacies. Prestashop also provides community, forums, and technical documentation for support. You will find standard e-commerce features like inventory management, international selling, and robust analytics. Plus, there is an array of extensions and third-party add-ons to enhance your store. However, there is no built-in customer support, and the paid support plans can be pricey. So, it is best suited for entrepreneurs who can manage their sites independently. Keep in mind that it might not be the ideal choice for total e-commerce beginners or those who struggle with site design and maintenance. The software is free for everyone, so there is no harm in giving it a try to see if it suits your long-term needs. Next on our list is Squarespace Commerce, a fantastic option for beginners. Squarespace is renowned for its intuitive drag-and-drop interface, streamlining the process of building and managing your website. As a hosted platform, it handles all the technical aspects, allowing you to focus on content creation and design. While e-commerce isn't available on basic plans, upgrading to a commerce plan lets you start accepting sales within minutes. You will also gain access to features like cross-platform selling, express checkout, and customized order notifications. However, for more advanced features like gift cards or abandoned cart recovery, you will need a pricier comments plan. Squarespace only integrates with Stripe and PayPal for payments. On the bright side, Squarespace offers excellent customer support and regular updates. It boasts beautiful templates that are easy to customize to match your branding. If you are already using Squarespace for your website, upgrading to a commerce plan can be a seamless way to start selling online. Lastly, let us talk about Big Cartel. Designed for creative types looking to sell their products online, Big Cartel excels in its straightforwardness and user-friendliness. Establishing your online store and tailoring it to align with your brand's unique style is a straightforward process. It provides functionalities such as product variations, real-time analytics, custom domains, and minimalist templates. Moreover, it has a built reputation for its prompt and dependable service while remaining budget-friendly. However, there are some limitations. Customization options are somewhat restricted, and you can only sell up to 500 products, even on the highest plan. Adding products must be done manually as there is no import option, and each product can have a maximum of 5 images. Payment processor options are limited, and advanced features like abandoned cart recovery are absent. Big Cartel may be an excellent choice for creative business owners who value simplicity. The free plan allows you to test it out before committing. So there you have it. Prestashop, Squarespace Commerce, and Big Cartel. 3 different options catering to various needs and skill levels. Remember, there is no one-size-fits-all solution. Make sure to evaluate your requirements and budget before making your choice. That's it for today. If this concept resonated with you, then stay tuned for our next video where I will introduce to you how to choose the right e-commerce platform: Weebly, Shift4Shop, and Volution. Thanks for watching, and I will see you until the next one.